Hey guys, what's up? It's Ayu here, and welcome to the review video of Wave. So, here I'm inside the members area of Wave, and as the name states, 3-click software builds you an automated store and drives free buyer traffic to it in 60 seconds. Trust me, it does justice to its name. I have checked out the product by myself, and I also have the review access to it. So this is what the members area looks. This is the sales page actually. Like I'm sorry. This is a sales page, and this is the review page. So yeah, this is what the review act. I'm sorry. So this is what the members area looks like. As you can already see, it is pretty much looking like a e-commerce website. As you can already see, it pretty much looks like a e-com store or a website, a blog website where you have ads going on, you have some other links to your other vlogs, other trendy vlogs, you have some buttons right here in which you can add your affiliate links like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram, YouTube, Pinterest. It have all sorts of social media platforms. You have tons of amazing vlogs, and you also have some random posts coming up here. So this is what the product all says. This is how you can how you can build your own profit site. Once the traffic comes to your website or to your e-com store, if it's a e-com store, it's obvious that some of like if it's a e-com website, if it's a e-com store, it's obvious that half of the traffic, or maybe one fourth of the traffic, will be attracted by the products that are being displayed on your e-com store, and they will make purchase. And other of them, maybe they'll window shop, or they'll see, or they'll add it to the cart or something, or maybe they'll return it to late. Yeah, maybe they will return back to the products later, but it's for sure that you'll get conversions. And if you have a vlog, or if you have a blog, or if you have a website, so you will also get paid even if you have a vlog or even if you have a website, because there are you can actually add ads to your vlog. So these little spaces, there are given spaces, there are some predefined spaces where you can actually add your ads, and from this you can create any type of content. Like you can add fashion blog, you can add family related, you can add diabetes related, you can add make money related, you can add lifestyle related, fashion, family, quizzes, travel, life is easy, everything. You also have, when you scroll down, you also have some tags right here. You also get voting poll to engage your audience, like the audience that you'll get. You also have these voting polls to engage your audience. And this is all about fashion, this is all about family stuff, this is about the quizzes. So you also get some quizzes to engage your audience more. So if this is product which is up to your interest, stick with me till the last of the video as I go in more for the details about this product. And apart from this product, I also have some custom bonuses for you which are available for me and not any other vendor out there. So this is what my bonus page looks like. Click on the link on my description down below and you will be redirected to my bonus page, which looks something like this. The my bonus page will vanish after the timer sets to 0. So this product will be launched on 27th on 11th a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it is a 4-day sale. So when the timer hits 0, my bonus page is gonna vanish and all my bonuses will not be available to you anymore. So make sure you buy this product via my link and before the timer sets to 0. Now talking about the bonuses, the first bonus that I'm going to give you is Access 7-minute system. 7-minute system is the product launched by Jono Armstrong. This is be given, this bonuses One thing before getting to my bonuses, one thing I want to make sure is that even if you pick the front end price that only costs you $17, you'll still get all my bonuses free of cost. My bonuses don't cost you anything. They are free of cost even if you pick the front end price that only costs you $17. All my bonuses will be delivered to you once you make the purchase, and the bonuses are guaranteed, of course. The first one is access 7-minute system. The second one is bonus tutorial accelerate your traffic with Binge, so you can actually drive in more traffic from Binge. So Binge is a browser which is a actual good source of traffic, so you can actually drive your traffic from here to your product or to your blog or to your e-commerce shop. The third bonus is access 2500 email swipes. So if you have already a built bias list, or if you already have some of the if you already have some names on your list, these 2500 email swipes are with catchy headlines and they are already pre-made, so all you need to do is just make some custom changes to them and they are ready to be sent. The fourth bonus is access Gemini. You're also getting Gemini. So Gemini was a product launched by Jono Armstrong and you're getting it for free here. And the last bonus is special bonus, that is all the vendor bonus that the vendor is offering you. That's it for my bonuses. Once you make the purchase, go into your purchase history on Warrior Plus and click on access affiliate bonuses. Once you click on this little blue button right here, you'll get to access all the bonuses that I'm offering you. And the vendor bonuses, I think they will be delivered to you either inside the members area or they will be sent to you by the vendor, so you don't need to worry about that. So now talking about the upsells. The upsell number one is Wave Unlimited, that is $39. The unlimited edition of Wave lets you build unlimited stores and run unlimited traffic campaigns. So in the front end version, I guess you have limited stores and limited traffic campaigns. But if you buy the upsell number one, that is Wave Unlimited, for $39, you will get unlimited stores and unlimited traffic. Like I've already shown you, the page already looks like good to go. It is already good to go. It already looks like a professional e-com shop, e-com store, or a blog. All you need to do is change the logo, add little buttons right here, and just make a little bit of changes and you can make this whole as your own. The upsell number two is Wave Done For You, that is $197. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. So you'll be getting basically done for you sales and traffics if you make the upsell number two, if you make the purchase of upsell number two. The upsell number three is Wave Automated Edition, that is $39. You will be able to activate all the automation tools within Wave. So you will be able to have access to all the automation tools within Wave that the Wave app has. The upsell number four is Wave Machine, $197. We actually set up a funnel for you on your hosting with your account, so you can build a list and make money. So this is a list building. They will set up a host with audio accounts, so you can build a list and make money. Not only is the funnel completely set up for you, but we also include autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails added, and additional traffic tutorials. Upsell number five is Wave Done For You store, that is $197. We set up a fully functioning custom store for you. So if you make this upsell number five purchase, not only you get access to hold this product, but they will customize the store. They'll customize the store for you. You just need to make the purchase and they'll do the work for you. So now if this product is up to your interest and if you want to make the purchase, click on the link on my description down below, come to this bonus page and click on this green buttons right here, and you can click on any of the green buttons and it will redirect you to the sales page. Once you are landed on the sales page, you'll see a green button right here which says click here to get started now. Click on this button right here and you will be able to access Wave, and you'll also get access to all my bonuses that I have talked about in this video, and they are absolutely for free and guaranteed even if you pick the front end price. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for further videos, and I'll be posting more videos in the near future, and I'll be coming up with more amazing products for you guys. Thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.